Well, news that we are breaking to you. NCB heat on Ananya Pandey. Ananya Pandey leaves for NCB questioning. NCB had summoned Ananya Pandey earlier. This is the second time that she will appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB, to question Ananya Pandey with regards to her WhatsApp communication with Aryan Khan. Let me go across to Mayuresh joining us live with more inputs. Mayuresh, what's the current status? Because a short while ago we were reporting that Ananya Pandey has left her residence. What time is she scheduled to arrive there at the NCB office? And if you can remind us with the process that is being undertaken with Ananya Pandey with regards to this case.
So absolutely, Ananya Pandey left her residence just half an hour back, so it will take another 1 hour for her to reach here, considering the current traffic situation. Now, what exactly will happen today? Again, the NCB will record her statement. We have been given to understand yesterday late night, NCB had detained one person who's kind of a drug peddler. So, and in this connection, and according to the sources, Ananya Pandey and Aryan Khan both know this person. They are known to this person. So that's why that person, that drug peddler who has been detained, there is a chance that a confrontation may happen between them. Because yesterday when NCB showed her those chats, it was very difficult for Ananya Pandey to recollect those chats. And according to the sources, if you have to believe the sources, they have said that Ananya was continuously in her statement, she was saying that the chats are more about the cigarettes and not about the drugs. So it would be interesting to see that on day 2, what question NCB asked her and what exactly answer she gives. Because as I was saying continuously, NCB or any other central agencies, they look for discrepancies from your answers, and taking clue from those discrepancies, they further go ahead and they do their investigation. So if we have to consider that Tuesday scenario where bail application of Aryan Khan will come up in front of Bombay High Court, NCB needs some kind of concrete proof. They need some kind of concrete base for it, because only WhatsApp chats they cannot rely, and that's why they're trying. They will be asking different questions to Ananya Pandey, try to find out the discrepancies, and if they find any discrepancies, certainly they will use that discrepancy against Aryan Khan to oppose his bail application. Back to you.
If I understand it correctly, Mayuresh, what you're saying is that the NCB is now at a stage of collecting evidence, material evidence against Aryan Khan. So in that sense, will it be accurate to say that Ananya Pandey then is being looked at as a witness? She's not a suspect or an accused in this entire drug bust case that happened in Cornelia, but she is someone who had communication with Aryan Khan, and in order to build their case against Aryan Khan, that is how Ananya Pandey is relevant. Is she being, in that sense, in the capacity of a witness that she's being interrogated?
As of now, NCB has not officially taken any stand, or they have not clarified whether they are seeing Ananya Pandey as a witness or they are seeing Ananya Pandey as accused, because they said we have just called her for some kind of clarification and we need some clarification on that. So it will be premature to say at this moment whether Ananya will be a witness or whether she will be a kind of a victim in this case or not. But yes, we have to wait for some more time to come NCB on record to tell us that what exactly is the role of Ananya Pandey apart from the WhatsApp chats and what they have found in those WhatsApp chats. That's why they are calling Ananya Pandey for day 2.
Right. So today is the second day of questioning, and remember, the bail plea hearing of Aryan Khan will come up again on Tuesday in the Mumbai High Court this time. We'll keep our viewers updated with all of that. Thank you so much for joining us, Mayuresh, with your inputs on the story.